This is 2021. It's a Ford F150 with the XLT package, the 5.0 V8. We just installed a nice custom catback dual exhaust system with a Flowmaster Super 44 muffler out to some 3.5-inch stainless steel tips. Tucked it all up in there nice and clean, as we always do. This side, on the driver's side, is pretty tight up around the brake line, so you got to put it in there just right or you'll have an issue with the brakes. Did leave the factory resonator on it. Does kind of keep the drone down. Should give it some good rumble. Let's see what it sounds like.